Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to read data from Odoo database and create a CSV file using this data. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 15 community edition, and what we are going to do is that using XML RPC script from a Python file we will be connecting to an Odoo database, and we will read data from a database table, and using that data we will write this data into a CSV file as an output. So let's see how we can do that. So currently here I am in hospital management module, and in the database we have around 27 patients in hospital.patient database table. So using XML RPC script we will read data from this database table, and using this data we will create an output file named patient name.csv or something like that. So if I go to my Sublime editor, here I have already created a script which you can see, which import CSV library as well as XML RPC dot client library, and I have created some variables that holds the information about my Odoo database. So the database can be located in local machine or in a remote machine, doesn't matter. You just provide its URL, database name, and the credentials of that database. So here I have set those details in for variable, and then using XML RPC common, and I have do the authentication to ensure I am authenticated to take data from the database. So these are the XML RPC Odoo external API commands which I have copied here. And if authentication is success, if PID, that is if authentication is succeeded, I'll call another variable called models. Then what I have to do, I have to read data from the database. So in the next line you can see what I have done is using the search read method from hospital.patient, I am getting the results of field variables as name, age, and gender. So I am saying to the system I need to get, or I need to perform a search read inside hospital.patient table to get these field values name, age, and gender. And I have just iterated it over the result I'll be getting in patients, and I'm just iterating the result over a for loop, and I'm creating an another list. So let's see. That's here you can see I'm creating an another list, that is P of name will be containing patient name, P of age will be patient age, and P of gender will be patient gender, and I'm appending it to a list, and I have printed it here. So let's run this script and see what output does we get. So I'll go to the editor here, and let me clear this. So I have opened the terminal, and now I'll run the create csv.py file. So I'll write Python create csv.py, and if I click on enter, you can see you are getting the result as follows. That is, I have printed patient list. So patient list is an empty list initially, and I have performed a search read, and from that result I have appended the data to a patient list, and I have printed it here. Now what we have to do, we don't need to get the output in the terminal, but we have to get it as a CSV file so that we can prepare or share it with our client or according to our need. So we have got the data from the database successfully. We have fetched the data in our required format. Now I have to prepare as a CSV file. So using CSV, we already have imported the CSV, and I'll uncomment this code. So here I can give the name for the file exported patient list. I'll give exported patients. So I'm putting a new file name exported patients.csv, and we are performing write. So the mode is W for write as F, then writer equal to write csv dot writer of F. This F is as F, which we have to give here. And what all things we have to write in the CSV? First we need a header. So I have prepared a list here. Header is name. I'll capitalize this name. Then second column is age, and the third column is gender. So I have prepared a header list. So when we are writing to CSV, it has to be in list format. So this is the header, name, age, gender, writer dot write row. So we are writing the first row, it is header, that is done. Then writer dot write rows, we are writing multiple rows, which is patient list. So let's see what we are getting the output. Control is, and if I go here, currently we have only 1 2 3 4 files, that is 3 files and folder here. So after executing this script, a new file will be getting generated here with the given name, that is exported patients.csv. So let's trigger. So here we will see, so I'll trigger our script, create csv.py, enter, and you can see a new file has been generated here, exported patients.csv. Now let's open that. Okay, and you can see name, age, and gender is coming. We have, starting from 2, we have 27 records in the sheets, and if you check the database also, you will have 27 records. So this is how we can read data from Odoo database and create a CSV file as an output using a Python script using CSV package and XML RPC script. So I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubts, feedbacks, or suggestions, don't hesitate to share with us. You can directly comment under this video, or also you can feel free to connect us in social medias or LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And if you like the video, please do click the like button and support us by subscribing channel and sharing the video with your Odoo friends. And we have a membership in the channel, so if you can join and take a membership, it will be a great helpful for us to generate the revenue. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.